Hi and welcome to my channel. If you like my videos and want to know next time I upload, make sure to hit that notification bell. Ivy from Molly Ollie reached out to me, sent me one of her products. She's a mom of two who was trying to get herself organized, and she came up with this awesome idea. When I first started looking into it, my teacher brain turned on, and I thought this would be amazing for my classroom, for my teacher table, my small group table. And the more I looked into it, I also saw this as something amazing for crafters. If you get together with friends and are gonna craft, this is a perfect thing to just easily take with you wherever you are going to craft, or if you're gonna decide to move to your living room or any situation like that, this is amazing. If you are a mom, of course, is what it was designed for. It's also amazing for diapers and wipes and a change of clothes to keep in your room, or if you have 2-story, 3 stories, this is something that would work amazingly. So let's go ahead and check this out for the first time. I also want to let you guys know that Ivy was generous enough to give all of my viewers that watch this and are interested in purchasing this a 10% off coupon, and I'll have the code and the links down below. So let's go ahead and check this out. Oh, she sent me the teal one. They have it in, they come in 2 different colors, teal and gray with the teal insert. It seems to be a pretty good size. Oh yeah, this is nice. Okay, so it feels nice. It's I can't think of the name of it, but it feels pretty sturdy. It's nice that it can fold up pretty small, like you guys saw, because you know, so you might not be using it all the time, or you might want to store it and then bring it back. It comes with 2 inserts that you can make it. It velcros in. So you can make 3. Oh, I put that in backwards. That's okay. Sorry about that. Of course, somebody's having an emergency at the moment. You can make a compartment, so now you have a large compartment and 2 small compartments in the inside. It has a pocket on the outside for random things, 3 pockets on one side, 3 pockets on both sides, so that's 6 pockets plus a large pocket on one end. On the other end has a zipper where it holds 5 markers, pens, I don't know what else you can put in here, but I'm sure brushes. And then it has a not a zipper, I'm sorry, a Velcro, another little Velcro pocket in here. That's a pretty good size. The zippers they seem to be really good, sturdy zippers. Very nice, easy to carry. And like I said, I can see this being for my small group table when I'm teaching. I can put the books in here. I can put my lesson plans in one. I can put all of my manipulatives in one side. I can put pencils and all my things that I need to grade. If I was going to use this for crafting, which you guys see that I do craft a lot and I do a lot of DIYs and things like that, I could see this being extremely useful in that sense, where if you are a sewer, you can put all your sewing things in here. If you like to make quilts, like your yarn and your needles and all your things can also go in here. It makes it nice with the zipper, because if you're traveling somewhere, you don't need to take an additional purse with you. You can just stick your wallet, phone in here, and you're good to go with all your crafting things that you're gonna take. I'm trying to see if there's... Very nice. I don't know if you guys can see. It looks like it's very nicely made. I can see this lasting quite a bit. Like I said, obviously you guys saw me open it. I just did, so I don't know exactly how long this is gonna last for, but from what I can tell, this is very well made, and I can see a ton of uses for this. Like I said, she was very kind and gave us a 10% off of your order. I will also have her Instagram and Facebook linked down below if you are interested in checking that out. Like I said, there's two colors, the teal with the rose insert, and then she also has the same thing, but it's teal insert with a gray on the outside. So if you guys like this, go ahead and check out the links below. Make sure to use that discount code. The discount code is good until August 12th of this year. If you have any questions, go ahead and reach out, leave me a message, and I hope you guys have an amazing day. I also wanted to show you guys this. It gives you information about the caddy. It tells you how to take care of it, how to clean it, what it's made out of, its size, and it also gives you their Instagram and Facebook handles. If you like this video, go ahead and subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys next time.